All right, I think I've sort of got the, late Hendrix, late SRV tone locked down, dude. Check it out. Breadboarded LPV1 electro harmonics with a BC 109 transistor, I think, into my fuzz face. Or no, that'll have a BC 108. This has got two BC 109s. This is a Dallas Arbiter Rangemaster with the Cesar Diaz Texas Ranger input cap selector. I've got it on the treble, the most trebliest. It also sounds great on mid and pretty good on low. That's the setup. Otherwise, I'm running my Nashville style telly, and for this demo, I'm only going to run, so that's the volume on 0. I'm only going to run it that high. All right, here's that clean tone for you on the way to turn on my fuzz. Oh, my Omnipod's going off. It must have ran out of insulin.